Guys, look at this. We have scripts. Amazing, guys. What's up, fellas, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox. Absolutely free, safe, and online, guys. Let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop. Then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool, and now we'll have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So open your profile official of your Roblox on your browser and just copy your profile link. It's super easy. Okay, let's get back to the R tool. Then you have paste button, click there, and let's see the next step. Okay, user found. So the next step is to select on button and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. So I will select this. Let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest review for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites for now. This AppLoop is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're in the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will now travel town and TikTok, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task. I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. If you have this message, just wait for this redirecting. Okay, and let's see the next step. Boom, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing double check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited. So let me open the game and let's test, does it actually work? Let's see, guys. Okay, let me play this Escape for Tsunami. And now, guys, I'm in the game and look at this, we have this panel. So let me show you, guys, look at this. Thank you for using Delta. We have this message. Click on Home button and look at this. All scripts are added successfully. Just click execute and let's wait a little bit and let me show you. Guys, look at this. We have scripts. Amazing, guys. I can't believe it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.